can check anywhere up here, and I get nothing. As soon as I go down to that corner, nothing over here. This side's really rusted, but nothing over here. As soon as I go there. So the gas that's up here is blowing out, and it's heavier than air, so it's coming down into this area. That's why I'm checking to see if it beeps a little bit. Over here, I get nothing because I'm far away from that area. But as soon as I come into this area here, close by the coil, it starts picking up gas, and as soon as I get in here,